how can you change the color of the opaque T3 LED UV control to cover the nails. So the first thing that we're going to talk is about the gel. We are going to use the control leveling opaque petal pink. We have 3 different colors, and this is the one that is the more pinky. This color, this gel, is used to cover or mask the imperfections of nails or just to elongate the nail bed of the nails. And we have 3 different colors to match each skin tone. But sometimes you have all the gels in different colors, but none of those colors is not even close to the skin tone. So I'm going to teach you a trick to change the color. It's so easier and you're going to love it. And we are going to use this time the Cuccio Pro Premium LED. This Cuccio Premium LED Master Brush is a synthetic Taklon bristle brush that we can use to apply gels. So it's a different color, it's a new technology, that's why it's different color. We have a white nylon gel brush and we have the Taklon bristle new technology to use with our Cuccio Pro LED UV gels. So let's use this one. The first thing that I'm gonna do is take, oh, you see my beautiful Cuccio Plate? Yes. I'm gonna take a little amount of the gel and apply it on my Cuccio palette because I'm gonna just show you how to mix it. If I'm going to do a full set, I'm going to use more amount of the gel, or if it's a color that every one of my clients like, I just mix it direct in the jar. This time we are gonna use the Boston Cream Pie, that is the number 6034-LED, and we are going to apply just a few drops. Oh, that's too much. If you do this, just don't be scared, just take it out, and then we're ready. You can use a doodling tool and start mixing it. When you mix it, do it in slowly circular strokes or movements, because if you're trying to mix it too fast, it's gonna make too much bubbles. You see how it changed the color? And now this color is going to match perfectly to the skin tone of my client. So you see now how different it looks with the original color. So if you don't find the same color to match the skin tone of your client, just use Boston Cream Pie Veneer and change the color and make it more personalized for your client.